Danny. I can't believe we are finally here almost 2 years after getting engaged. It has been a long 22 months of planning, then stopping, switching our wedding date, and then planning again. I'm so excited to finally be marrying you today.
Our light was golden, then it was stolen, but I knew that we would see the dawn.
Marissa, when I think about our relationship thus far, so much of it has been good to the last crumb. I think about our first date that went on way longer than either of us expected it could have, with hours of thoughtful conversation, like nothing I'd ever experienced before. I knew I loved you then, just like I know I love you now. Said another way, I vowed to love you no matter what, down to the last crumb.
Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, look at us now. We're in the middle of it, magic all around us. I knew one day we'd touch the sun. Our dreams before us, nothing to hold us back. You showed me we are limitless. Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now. Look at us now, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now.
On the 16th day of October, in the presence of family and friends, the beloved Marissa Eve Helgren and Daniel Henry Gold entered into a covenant of marriage based on love, friendship, and mutual respect. We have fused our hearts, and now we are fusing our destinies, and together we'll weather life's adversities and celebrate our good fortune with the utmost joy. May we always cherish each other according to these vows that we make today. There is no look more beautiful than the look of love.
Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, look at us now. Look at us now. Our dreams before us, nothing to hold us back. You showed me we are limitless. Our dreams before us, nothing can hold us back. You showed me we are limitless. Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, look at us now, don't wanna close my eyes.
I promise to always put us first and to continue to grow together. I love you so much, Danny, more than I did yesterday and less than I will tomorrow. I can't wait for what is in store for us.